Hi and hello everyone. I'm Dr. Ansari A, cardiologist from Shahdan Institute of Medical Sciences, Hyderabad, India. Today I'm here to tell you something regarding heart and COVID. Yeah, you heard it rightly. The thing is, I'm just going to tell you about some of the symptoms of the heart and COVID which are in common, like the cough and shortness of breath. So, this cough and shortness of breath usually occurs simultaneously in the COVID patients as well as in the heart related patients. So, how we are going to differentiate it? First and foremost, all the COVID patients usually who are symptomatic or asymptomatic may have some kind of shortness of breath or may have some cough too. At the same time, the cardiac patients do also present with the same symptoms of cough and shortness of breath. Well, they have some sort of differentiating factors like they can have a fever in the case of COVID and associated other infective symptoms in the case of COVID. But at the same time, it just keeps on progresses when if you're infected with COVID. But in the case of an heart issues and heart diseases, one can have shortness of breath and cough for longer durations, and at the same time, it can progress very badly at the same time in the case of an heart issues. So these symptoms run common in between this COVID and heart. So the best thing is we need to diagnose it as early as possible with the help of your physician as well as your pulmonologist and cardiologist. These symptoms are usually differentiated with a couple of tests like ECG, 2D echo, chest X-ray and some other laboratory investigations. And better you will be diagnosed to have either a heart disease or a COVID. And the most important is the COVID testing. Yes. Now, what to do if I am a cardiac patient and if I'm suffering from COVID? That's not an issue. Don't be panicked. Well, if you're a heart patient, make sure that you continue all those cardiac medications you are advised by your cardiologist or by your treating physician as such. And never stop any cardiac drug by your own. If at all the pulmonologist or your treating doctor for your COVID, if he or she advises, make sure that you also approach to your cardiologist and have a word with him or her that so and so medications were given. And finally, all the medications which have been taken by you should be on time and appropriately. During these episodes, you can have fluctuations in your blood pressures, you can have fluctuations and variations in your heart rate as well. You can have something like feeling like heart is racing. Yeah, it's tachycardia. It can be a tachycardia. So what to do if you're having this type of problems? Well, during this infection and coexistence with the heart disease, one can have this type of disorders like fluctuations in the blood pressures as well as fluctuations in the heart rate. They can go up and down. So it's better that if it is monitored at home or at the doctor's office. And make sure once again that you take your cardiac medications regularly. And finally, once you are recovered with the COVID, still fluctuations for the heart rate and blood pressures may keep on bothering you a lot. These higher heart rates are usually termed as tachycardia. Sometimes these higher heart rates can be regular, sometimes it can be an irregular. A simple ECG and by your diagnosis of a doctor, whether it's a normal sinus tachycardia or some abnormal arrhythmias, it can be easily handled on an outpatient basis at the same time. Whereas if it's an irregular rhythm with an irregular higher heart rates, yes, you may need to evaluate further and get it properly diagnosed and properly treated by it at the same time. Finally, these higher heart rates are not of that concern because nowadays post-COVID, many patients, irrespective of their cardiac etiology and their cardiac status, sometimes they may be a cardiac patient, sometimes they may not be a cardiac patient. Still, we see a lot of higher heart rates post-COVID. In these patients, usually they are managed well with some of the drugs on the outpatient basis. Need not worry a lot. A simple ECG and a couple of other investigations will tell you what to take and what not to take, but let your doctor decide. Finally, special attention for all those patients who are having heart failure and they have successfully recovered from COVID. Make sure you take the proper medications and follow the strict regulations advised by your doctor, like restriction for the salt intake, daily taking up your medicines without any omission of it, and take some small amount of foods regularly. Don't overload your stomach because it finally overloads your heart. This is some of the tips you would be able to come up with post-COVID symptoms and scenario. Finally, let's together be safe, follow the protocols, and let's try to eradicate COVID. Thank you.